the question is divide one polynomial by other polynomial. As we know, this is also the polynomial. We can say it's a trinomial and we can say it's a binomial. So how will you write in division? You will have to write it. This is the dividend. Always the longest number or the greater number you will write inside the sign of division. So I'm going to write here a square plus 6a plus 5, and you need to divide this long polynomial by a plus 1, right? By a plus 1 means its position is here, a plus 1. So here it's clear that what is dividend and what is divisor. What is dividend and what is divisor? This polynomial is dividend and that polynomial is divisor, because we are dividing by a plus 1 to a square plus 6a plus 5. So I have written this. This is the first step, to write correct polynomials on their correct positions, places. So this is the first step. Now we'll go for the second one. Here I am going to explain you how to do calculations, rough calculations every time. So students, yes, every time you are going to compare first term of the dividend and the first term of the divisor. उनका division आपको करना है. Okay, I will show you a square divided by a. Now the rough calculations I am showing you here. Rough calculations. Pay attention what you will do. A square, what is it? A square. So you will mention the a square upon, what is it? This is a. Can you tell me how, what you will get here? A square upon a. A square upon a. A raised to 1 means a, right? And this answer a square by a करके आपको ये quotient मिल गया. Now what you will do, आपको a से इसको multiply करना है. A से ये पूरे के पूरे टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, एंड यू विल मेंशन द टर्म्स हियर. ओके, सो जस्ट टेल मी a into a plus 1. A into a plus 1. How will you do multiplication? A into a square. A square. So you will write a square below square term. Square term आपको square term के नीचे लिखनी है. Means आप यहाँ पे like terms manage करोगे. That you will have to pay attention there. So a into a square we have written. A into 1, a into 1, 1a, and the sign will be plus 1a, plus 1a. Okay, so I have written a. 1a means a. Now the multiplication has been finished, so there is no any other term to write here. So let it be. अभी आप क्या करोगे? You will have to do subtraction of these polynomials. What you will do? Subtraction. So while doing subtraction, make compulsory, you will have to change the signs of these two terms. इसके जो signs होते हैं second polynomial, उसके signs change होंगे due to this subtraction. So here I am going to write minus. Here I am going to write minus. ठीक है? And now think about it. Plus a square minus a square. Plus a square. Now this sign is the recent sign of that particular term. Plus a square minus a square will get cancelled. Can you tell me about this? 6a minus 1a. 6a minus 1a. It's 5a. 5a. And the next term you will write now plus 5 as it is. You will copy the next term 5a plus 5. Now this is the next dividend. अभी ये न्यू हमें डिविडेंड मिला, तो अभी वापस इसको इससे डिवाइड करना है. वापस 5a plus 5 को a से डिवाइड करना है. तो सेम मेथड यू विल यूज. Tell me what will be the next quotient. How will you find the next quotient? Again the comparison between first term of this and first term of this. Do comparison. Means ये first term क्या है? 5a upon what is it? A. Now tell me what is the answer. 5a upon a. A will get cancelled and you will get only 5. Is it clear? प्लस 5 आपको मिला यहाँ पे, तो प्लस 5 यू विल राइट इन क्वोशंट प्लेस. यहाँ पे इसके आगे आपको इसको जोड़ के प्लस 5 लिखना है. प्लस 5 लिखा आपने. नाउ यू विल थिंक ओनली ऑफ प्लस 5. प्लस 5, तो प्लस 5 से आपको a प्लस 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. पूरा a प्लस 1. 5 इंटू a प्लस 1. यस, आई एम गोइंग टू डू हियर 5 इंटू a. 5 इंटू a. टेल मी द आंसर. 5 into a. 5 into 1, 5 into 1, 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so it's 5a plus 5. Due to this subtraction, what you will do? You will change the signs. तो ये पॉजिटिव है, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? नेगेटिव. ये पॉजिटिव है, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? नेगेटिव. राइट? एंड नाउ डोंट थिंक अबाउट दिस माइनस साइन नाउ. अभी इसका काम हो गया. नाउ यू विल कॉन्सेंट्रेट ओनली प्लस 5a माइनस 5a. 0 plus 5 minus 5. 0 means here you have got remainder as 0. आपको finally remainder कितना मिला? 0. And what is the quotient? You have the quotient a plus 5. A plus 5 is the answer. And since the remainder is 0, since the remainder is 0, 0 remainder है तो हम बोल सकते हैं a plus 5 is the factor of given polynomial. A plus 5, a plus 1, a plus 1 is the factor of given polynomial. Divide x square minus 3x plus 2. Divide x square minus 3x plus 2 by x minus 1. By x minus 1. This is the polynomial. Now what you will do? You will tell me the quotient. First quotient you will have to tell me. See the comparison between first term and first term. तो पहले first term आप always इसका लोगे because इसको इससे divide कर रहे हो. हाँ? Correct. Very good. Very good. Because see x square upon x. I can show you x square means x into x, right? X square means x into x. 2 times x आप लिखते हो. So 1x will get cancelled. So this calculation you will get x and the same number you are going to write here. Very good. You are on the same. You are on the correct point. X आपको मिला. Now what you will do? You will do multiplication of these two. So tell me x into x. X into x. X square I am going to write here. X into minus 1. X into minus 1. Minus 1x means minus x. Right? No, there is no any third term to multiply. So you will stop here. And then we will go for subtraction of these two polynomials. You will put minus sign in between. And due to this minus sign, you are going to change signs of these two terms. Change signs you will mark as a circle. Are you getting? This plus x square will become minus x square. Minus x will become plus x. अब ये minus sign का रोल खत्म. ये हो गया. इसके पास देखना भी नहीं है आपको. Now you will think about plus x square minus x square. Will it be cancelled? Yes. 0. Now tell me minus 3x plus 1x. Minus 3 plus 1. Correct. Now I'm asking you this. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2x. And this term you will copy it as it is, plus 2. You will copy it as it is, plus 2. And now, this is your next dividend. This is your next dividend. So to find next quotient, you will have to divide by first term upon first term. You will have to do division of these two. First and first. So let's do it. Can you tell me what is the first term here? ये क्या है? Minus 2x है. Divided by इसका first term है x. Yes, very good Ali. X will get cancelled. Minus 2. So our next next quotient is minus 2. Very good. Everyone is giving correct answers. We got this minus 2. We have written here. And now your work is you will multiply by minus 2 to every term here. हर एक term को minus 2 से multiply करना है. So here you will tell me minus 2 into x. Minus 2 into x. X. Very good. तो आपको किसके नीचे आपको वो लिखना है? 0 के नीचे आप लिखोगे क्या? No. Minus 2x. Like terms. You will have to manage like terms. जो like terms है उसको manage करना है आपको. So you have written this minus 2x here. And now next multiplication. Can you tell me minus 2 into minus 1? Minus 2 into minus plus होगा plus 2. Okay, we have done with multiplication. अब उसका वहां का काम हो गया. Now you will concentrate here and again you will do subtraction. Again you will do subtraction. Come plus, this will become minus. And now think about these two individual terms. Minus 2x plus 2x. Minus 2x plus 2x. 0. Correct. 0. And next also plus 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Means this is the remainder. Means again you can say, since the remainder is 0, अभी remainder तो 0 मिला हमें, तो we can say x plus 1 is the factor of given polynomial. ये जो है ये इसका factor है. ये आप कब बोल सकते हो? If and only if you will get remainder 0. Okay, please solve this. Please solve.